right, here we go. Time for your health check. How many hours will you work today? More than 8? Well, you could be setting yourself up for high blood pressure. Yeah, new research shows working more than 40 hours a week increases your risk for high blood pressure. And that risk, you guys, climbs even higher when you work more than 49 hours per week, okay? The scary thing is what's called masked hypertension, and that's when your blood pressure is high at work, but not at the doctor's office.
Even if the blood pressures were normal in a relaxed environment, in a controlled environment, in the work situation, if they were working longer hours, there was a 70% higher risk for having masked hypertension.
Ooh, 70%. Okay, so the doctor explains when we work long office hours, we sit a lot, right? Most of us. A known risk for high blood pressure, okay? It's a risk factor. Of course, that can lead to heart disease, stroke, and kidney disease. So certainly modifying your diet and getting appropriate exercise can help. What is that? Do you hear that? Yeah, spring is right around the corner. So let's talk about some common myths about springtime allergies, also seasonal treatment. I know a lot of you guys are suffering out there. You may have heard someone say, you can't develop allergies as an adult if you didn't have them as a child. Well, those people are wrong, because actually you can. Yes, you can develop allergies for the first time even into your 60s. They're often triggered by a change in where you live. Tashara, did you know that?
But it's a mess.
Yeah, exactly, right? Hey, it doesn't really matter which allergy medicine you choose. They all bring relief, right? No, wrong. People respond differently to 3 primary types of medicine, okay? There are antihistamines, decongestants, and corticosteroid sprays. All right, we've heard hot days are the worst for allergies and that rain actually brings relief. Well, actually, you guys, windy days, whether warmer or cooler, are worse. Steady rain weighs down pollen, but thunderstorms blow all that stuff around long distances in the air. And our final myth, time of day makes no difference when it comes to allergy exposure. Well, it does. Yeah, trees pollinate in the morning, so the 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. range is really the worst to be outside, which is what I've explained, especially when the weather gets nicer. People like to take those morning jogs.
Yeah.
You might want to take your workout inside.
Yeah, and this time of year it is bad for folks who suffer from mountain cedar.
Yes.
That's the thing for the winter months, and as we head into the first part of March, that's going to be a big problem for us.